Yeah, so some of you are asking that you need another account, another type of payment platform that will pay you in dollars. Well, I have good news for you because this platform I'm about to show you will pay you in dollars. It will enable you to receive your payment in dollars. You understand? And this particular website is so awesome that, well, let's just stick with me to the end of this video because I'll be telling you interesting things about this website and why you should consider using it. So the first thing we are going to do, because what we want this website for is to receive payment, dollar payment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll go to my Chrome browser. So my Chrome browser, this is a new tab. I will type in current dollar exchange rate. So guys, as you can see, because this website we are going to be using it to receive dollars. You understand? Dollars or any whatever, any currency you're using as a freelancer, then you convert that money to your current currency, like your country's. So basically, I think this particular website I'm about to show you actually works for Africans alone. So guys, I don't know. So I don't know, but I think it's basically works for Africans. So as I was saying, this is 460 naira. That is for $1. The current exchange rate, I mean the bank rate, not black market rate. You understand? Bank rate is $460. This $460 here, I'll be using it. That's why I'm starting with it first. So the next one we're going to check is the website itself. The website is called geegpay.africa, geegpay.africa.com or geegpay.africa, whichever one you're able to get. So get paid, Geegpay, get pay. So you click on the first link. This is the first link. You click on the first link. Now this is what their platform looks like: a digital financial platform for the gig economy. That's if you're a freelancer, they're encouraging freelancers to use this particular website. Well, GetPay doesn't have an app. They don't have an app. In case you're being prompted or you're seeing people saying they are downloading app, they don't have an app. And this reminds me, please, I do not have a WhatsApp group as at the time of making this video. And I do not have a Telegram group currently at the time of making this video. So guys, please, if you're seeing scammers messaging you that you should join a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group, that is not me. That is not me. Do you understand? So let's just continue. It said create a USD, I don't know, I think German currency, I don't know, then euros account to receive payment for your gigs. Automate employer billing, debit card for easy spending, build your credit score. So guys, what we are just going to do, as you can see, this website is basically for blacks. I'm not sure, but I think it's for Africans. So, and we have fair people in Africa as well. So let's just get straight to the signing up button. So this is it. Since I'm using a phone, it will bring this open an account. You understand? But if you're using a system, it I don't know, it brings separation. I think it's a wider screen, so it's not really like this, but this is the same thing that you'll be saying. It says start your effortless journey into borderless payment. Let's get you started. Now you'll be signing up as a freelancer. Please, if you know that you don't have a company or you are just starting up, like we you understand, just sign up as a freelancer, jeje and choose your country, Nigeria. So as you can see, I think their IP is currently saying Nigeria. If you're another African, is they'll definitely be bringing it up for you. So you click on continue. Now you input your full name, your email, then you confirm, input your password and confirm password. Then for the referral code, it's optional. So you can just leave it and just continue signing up. Now, some of you, your the screen might not bring it like this, because the screen might bring it as maybe step by step. That is maybe Gmail first, then you confirm your Gmail, your whatever. Please relax for them to send you the Gmail confirmation code. You understand? That is when it will open. Just so you just have to calm down for them to send you the Gmail confirmation code. So after sending it, then you continue, because some it varies. You understand? Then you continue the website, the dashboard looks like after signing up. But then after signing up, they will ask you to fill in your details. I've filled it in here, and okay, let me just briefly say what you'll be asked to fill in, so that I don't go back and we're having a long video. So you fill in your details. You get your bank details, your payment details. Then you're going to input probably a voter's card or an NIN card detail. And I think they'll ask you to take a passport as well, like just show your face, just to authenticate the whatever security whatever. And they will ask you to do two-step verification. So note this: if you haven't done all this, there is no way that you can be able to explore their website, because they are also security conscious, especially for those people sending money into their account, so they don't want any issue or whatsoever. So it's just like Pioneer, where you have to fill out all the billing details, the address and everything. It is the same thing you'll be doing on this website. Now, this is the major reason why I said, you understand, this is the major reason why I said that we should check the Nigerian exchange rate for banks first. But before we do that, let me show you. As you can see, I've done some transaction on this website. $26, $26, $39. I've done some transaction on this website like that, and the exchange rate is mad. When I say the exchange rate is mad, like, I have a Nigerian dollar account. For those of you that don't have dollar account, now what we do on the dollar account, or how I registered on the dollar account, was actually the fact that I use GT. I already have a registered GT account, so I just decided to say, okay, let me open a dollar account. So I just got $100, and we got two people with current account. You get, we got two people with current account, and we registered. So what I just do is to send money from that particular account into this Geegpay. Now, if you want to transfer like maybe $100, you understand, to Geegpay account, the bank rate will transfer it at your own bank rate. You understand? I don't know if it has changed now because of the exchange currency whatever that they are having currently, implementing policies here and there. You understand? And Geekpay will pay you in black market rates. Do you understand? Geekpay will convert it and send to your Naira account in black market rate. So let's just do a rough calculation. I'm coming, guys. Let me just do a rough calculation for you guys. So let's say we checked the other time and the Nigerian exchange rate was 460. 460. Let's imagine now that I'm sending maybe, let's say, $500. You understand? 460 times 500. So that's 230,000. That is 230,000 is what will leave my own account to Geekpay account. You understand? Now, if I'm converting it on Geekpay and I'm sending it to my Naira account, Geekpay is sending at the rate of, let's see, as you can see here, dollar is 730. 730. So Geekpay is sending to my account at 730. You understand? So let's just come right here. So 460 is the exchange rate multiplied by 500. That's 230,000. So now if we come back here and we say the exchange rate is 730. So 730 multiplied by 500, sorry, is multiplied by 500. So that's 365,000. You understand? So let's say this 365,000 minus 230,000. That was 135,000 naira in profit. Do you understand? So just imagine that I took money from my dollar account and placed it into my Geegpay account and then decide to send it back at the black market exchange rate. Now, if I'm sending $500, I'll be making a profit of $135. You understand? Fine, if I don't even make up to this, just be rest assured that at least I'll be making a profit of 50 to 80k on this transaction, because I'll be receiving it back into my naira account in dollar exchange, in black market exchange rates. So let's not prolong this video. Let me just show you around the website. So we come down here, we click on wallet. That is if you want to, send money. Now if you want to send money, this is the bank detail. Just click on wallet and wallet will bring out the bank details. Now if you're transferring from one account to another, whether Payoneer or from your bank account, this is the account number you input and this is the bank name you will input. So these are the transactions I've also done. So let's just come down here and check what is card. Now this card is if you need a virtual card or a physical card. Actually, I haven't applied for one, but if you want to apply for one, I think they don't have the physical card currently. What they have is virtual card. So you can apply for virtual card and do your shopping and whatever you want to do. You understand? You can apply for virtual card and do whatever you want to do. The next thing we are going to, let's just check check the wallet again. Check the wallet again and let's say convert fund, because I just want you guys to see convert funds. So we are going to be converting $1 here for you to see their current exchange rate. I've said it before, but I still just want to show you for those of you that didn't get a clear view of what it is. So if you am converting $1, I'm getting 730 naira for $1. Wait, so there is no point you going around looking for black market or anything of such. You understand? And it's safe, like their website is safe for you to receive your payment and do transactions on it. Just make sure you fill out the necessary details and you are good to go. So if your employer or whatever freelance work you're doing, it doesn't accept Payoneer, it should accept Geegpay. Or if they're having issues doing sending you money using Payoneer, kindly send in your Geegpay account to them and just receive your payment black market exchange and just exchange your dollars. You understand? It's just the same thing, like you withdraw $100 now. You go to Aboki whatever and you give Aboki that you want to exchange it. So they should give you the naira equivalent. You get? Aboki will just remove his charges and give you naira equivalent, which will definitely be higher, like it will be higher because it is black market exchange rate. So it's as simple as that. So I'll drop a link to this sign up button so that you guys will sign up. But if you don't see the link, please just go to geegpay.africa, Geeg pay.africa and sign up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.